The first one of today. Raiders fan.
Raiders. Pulling up to the spot. So sick. Holy fucking shit. Dude, this thing is insane. Holy fuck.
GT3 Huracan, GT3 Ferrari.
Not every day you see that.
It doesn't recognize my fucking key, dude.
Are you sure it's your car? GT3 Lambo, GT3 Ferrari. There we go.
So freaking sick.
We're following another GT3. In our GT3. Which one's better? Ferrari or Lambo? Titanium exhaust. Oh shit, I see the turbo through here. Twin turbo Huracan GT3, man. No joke. It's not wrap either. It's a fucking paint. Nardo grade paint. Chowting Media!
Chowting Media!
Chowting Media! Go follow them! Chowting Media!
Hey! Go follow YouTube too. Subscribe, like, comment.
Yes!
Everything.
There we go.
Proper way to pull up or not? The two GT3s. Got all these Lambos, got fresh kicks. Should we show them what real pops are like?
They're not popping.
Got DDE here. You gotta pop. You gotta throw flames. Otherwise, what's clout? Sick. Holy shit, look at that exhaust. Sheepy race in there. Turbos. That's insane. Insane. Protective Film Solutions, McLaren, Rat, Foistner kit, everything. Look at the spoiler. BF Engineering. They cover. Oh, it's carbon. Look at that, nice that looks. Oh my god. Chris is going, Chris. Breaking DDE's neck back there. Yeah, it is. It's so nice. We're breaking everybody's neck on the rally.
Oh shit, DD's back there.
Yeah, DD's behind us. Show them how NorCal does it.
Don't talk shit about NorCal?
Yeah.
Show them how it works.
Yeah, exactly, right? Guys, that was probably about the craziest 10 minutes of my life. That felt like an hour just because it was in heaven. Guess who I got behind me? Famous DD. We're literally breaking everybody's necks here. This freaking insane. Protecting Film Solutions in front of us. Danny breaking all the soap in people's necks. Daily driven exotic. Oh my god, that's insane. 720S. Also insane. Then we got Mo, Ronnie, Porsche, GTR, Lambo. Going into the Cars and Coffee right now, guys. We got to find our spot and then park here and then go grab lunch. So we'll see you in a little bit. We literally got so many crazy cars, guys. GT3 RS, Sheepy Race Lamborghini Huracan, insane. Martin Vantage S V12, guys. Look at all that carbon fiber on the hood. Lamborghini Performante, GT3. Ooh, look at this McLaren. That sounds so sick, guys. This thing pops so loud. Pops so loud. We were literally breaking everybody's neck on the rally here. It was so funny. Everybody's just filming us, and we're just backfiring. Wah, bah, 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 bah. Everybody's face. Even DDE's like, just open mouth, crazy. Literally so funny. Everybody's here. We're just breaking everybody's neck. It's taking a minute to park, so might as well show you guys the cars. Audi R8, nice rims, man. This Porsche though, this is crazy loud, guys. Crazy loud. This thing sounds so sick, guys. So nice. My God, that's crazy. All right, so it's literally been like 5 seconds since we've been in here. We've just been literally parked, and we've broken enough necks to give a chiropractor a job for life. Literally. Broken neck again. Even the dad, hardcore judging life. About to break all the necks. 1, 2, 3, 4, 500. Everybody's like, what the fuck? Fuck the people! Hey, nice dog! Hell yeah! Hey, is that Fresh Kicks? Hey! Aw, the little girl. Oh, she's so cute. Don't worry, I'm looking at her. Oh shit. Meet in the Bay, guys. Holy crap. Literally one of the craziest car meets I've been to. I don't think I've been to a car meet. Even like our Spocom and WECFest is not this like this. That's how you know SoCal's doing it better, guys. Their normal Cars and Coffee meet is better than our actual shows. It's kind of sad a little bit, but it's cool. It's cool. Doggies!
Black as me, my dream. My dream. Where? Black as me.
Oh!
Dog or ass?
Both. Say dog or ass? Both. Holy shit!
car to leave and everybody's leaving now. We were waiting for everybody to leave and now we started the car and everybody.